raining heavily, can't risk my expensive gadgets. So I will use my phone to shoot. Join me on an amazing experience with India's giants, just hours away from Delhi. Shoot awesome travel films with your phone and edit with any basic video editing software. Unlock your creative potential. If you are a beginner or if you cannot carry gadgets or don't want to invest so much in the beginning, right now just you want to know you are enjoying the editing and everything and all, then you just need a good phone and some decent editing skills. That's all. Our journey started with a road trip and a delightful stopover at my favorite spot, Hotel Hathi Gaon. We indulged in delicious food. Energized and satisfied, we continued our drive to Hathi Mauja Resort. As we arrived at the resort, we were greeted by refreshing rain showers and pleasant weather. The surroundings were adorned with vibrant greenery and enveloped in a magical atmosphere. So we have taken 2 rooms for 5 people and this is my room. Come inside. This is really nice one. Look! So here we have the cozy and comfortable room. I always like it when it's neat and clean and you feel that it's a very good one. A well-maintained property, I would say. And look, the view from here. Tomorrow we are going to see the elephants. I'm so excited. Come. Ta-da! And then you have the swimming pool there, down there. And you have the entire space. You want to see the other room we have? It's here. This is 108. Hi!
Hello!
Yeah, so here it is. We are going to have a very good time this evening, as you can see. You will see all my activities in this video. In front of me, there, that side, that's the view of Amer Fort. And here, in this side, you can actually go up and see elephants because we are in Hathi Gaon. How exciting is that?
What's this?
It's elephant. Our room offered breathtaking views and we couldn't wait to visit the nearby Hathi Gaon to meet the elephant. But before that, let's talk about something special. We have given spa to the elephants and that reminds me that I really like to enjoy spa. If it is available in the hotel, I really go for the spa option. And these days, I usually book my spa from Urban Company in my home itself. Basically, you can enjoy all the luxuries and facilities from the comfort of your home. You don't need to go out. And let me quickly give you all the details how I book my spa from Urban Company. Life can be overwhelming, filled with endless responsibilities and constant demands. Sometimes it feels like stress and pain are inescapable. That's when I found Urban Company Spa, a sanctuary that brings relaxation to your doorstep. With just few taps on the app, I booked a massage that would rejuvenate my body and soul. As I eagerly awaited my therapy, an Urban Company partner arrived at my home, warmly greeting me and carrying a foldable massage bed. With utmost care and professionalism, they set up the bed, ensuring a comfortable experience. This one is Pain Relief Body Massage Oil. So I'll just wear these disposable ones, the inner wears basically. Creating a serene spa-like ambience, they adorned the room with fragrant oil, delicate flowers, flickering candles and soothing music. Okay, I'm all set for the massage. And then the deep muscle massage began. Expert hands skillfully working on my shoulders, back, legs and forehead, releasing tension and melting away the stress. Additionally, you can utilize my code SAVVY300 to receive a discount of 300 on your first spa booking. Make sure to check the link provided in the description for further information. So good. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks.
So I am booking this massage for myself every week, I guess.
Thank you.
As they clean up and pack, let's go back to our trip. So let's go and say hello to them. What do you think?
I am very excited.
Hi! Can I go close to it?
दो दो है.
God, there's 2 of them. Massive. They're so huge.
जाओ. एक और आ रहा है वो देखो.
So many elephants. Actually, there are 4 of them. It's like bathing time for them. They're looking so cute. Okay, we are just having fun. It's raining. So as you can see, we are all wet. Hello. Look at them. Look at them. They're all wet.
ये देखो,
Kind of
ये रहा.
interaction with them. It's crazy. You should definitely. However, the reality was equally incredible. We had the opportunity to interact with the elephants, feed them, and even bathe them. It was an unforgettable experience playing with this gentle giant.
Oh my god, it's really, really fun, I would say. They interact so well.
Don't be a stranger. Fear
It's time to feed her.
be faded. Touch me now. Shape my sound.
We both are having some snacks now. As you can see, I'm having tea and samosa, and she is having some healthy diet.
One of these days I will lose my doubt.
The rest of the day at Hathi Mauja was slow-paced and filled with fun activities around the property. We couldn't resist taking a dip in the inviting in-house pool. Laughter and joy echoed through the air as we splashed around.
One of these days I'm gonna rise again. One of these days I can face the rain. One of these days I'll be apart.
When you have a swimming pool, it's raining, all of us together, and it's really fun. You know that, right? Right after pool time, it's time for breakfast. We are having some sandwich, aloo ka paratha, poha, and we are sorted.
We savored tasty snacks and enjoyed a cup of tea by the poolside. As the day came to a close, everyone was happily exhausted. We decided to unwind in my balcony with some drinks, engaging in heartfelt conversations. It was a perfect way to end the day, cherishing moments and creating memories that would stay with us forever.
Really hungry right now, and it's dinner time. We have ordered local dishes here. This is dal fry, and this is lal mangs, which is like mutton dish, local Rajasthani mutton dish, which you need to try. This one here, we have kadhi pakoda, and I always take rice. Some of us are taking roti as well.
I highly recommend taking these small breaks from your demanding lives. So take a step back, plan your own Jaipur adventure, and don't forget to capture those priceless moments with your phone.
So this was my effort to show you that if you are a beginner, you just need a phone with good camera and basic editing skills. That's all you need. You just don't need to spend on expensive gadgets in the beginning. And in the beginning, you just need to know if you're enjoying the process of shooting and editing and everything. So just try out your phone and explore your creativity. Now, how to edit the videos, that I'm requesting Anki to make a video on. Maybe it will come in my channel soon. And also please subscribe to my channel. Many of you are watching my videos but not subscribing. Please do like, share the videos, and write in the comments your feedback, your suggestions. That really helps. Also, I'm planning to bring more content on vlogging and editing. So stay tuned.